Well, here you got it. This is the Starlink system. After it's been unboxed, you've got the actual receiver with the power cord, some cool stickers if you like stickers. A lot of cord here. It's got to be 30, 40 feet or so. I don't know exactly. This is the actual satellite that'll get set up out there. But this is all you need in the box. So I'll be doing the roaming, which means I can set it up virtually anywhere while I'm out camping, overlanding, things along those lines. So once we get it, everything else set up and I get it turned on, and we'll do much more videos to go over some more of the details. All right, let me know what you guys think.